Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tina tet venikeno. Se wo yuswa esiesie ho e ma ho ye kama e ma wo ye obe mua. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Sorry. Oh, doc. Yes, and you book, doc. I want to know your thing. Who knows why she I've said, you need to Yama. No, say the young kukru. So, your stomach was out. Said the young. Had been so as I become. A damn cranny meaning said if you be forcing a I don't know.
Test results naturally say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet Tomac and a Tinatet Malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, and Tinatet Tomac. I'm free.
Tinatet Malake, Eyama Ubia wenya malaria fever. And a Tinatet Tomac mixture, Eyama Ubia wenya indigestion. Yen shishemo so wenya malaria and sana wafa edrui. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Na mo mu nsuro bi e wo ni 25th October wa. Ma ka kire mo se mo ni ma mo ko hwe me previous video last week. Me ma me kire mo kwanya wo fa so a wo Empress. Me ye mystery child. Me Empress ametian. Me ye mystery child. Don't joke with such person. My dear, me ye mfama dear. Pressure kwa. Evangelist.
Am I yes, sumo? Yes, sumo ready. And you may yakin cancer no. Yaba my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may yakin cancer no. Yaba free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe. Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here china who Hebrews.
Hey, madam.
Ajem kwani. Tinatet Hayan herbal capsule. A drawing tina per what to semi. Me ready a mention glasses. Obroni besi. See clear.
Eya no crow. Tinatet Hayan herbal capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A draw you baby atwa for Tinatet herbal shop. Hey, now what? Tinatet Hayan.
See clear.
Tinatet Edroi. FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eye.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sa wadi no ya mabobo so nyina. Eno ne yedi ahye Tinatet 230 herbal. Wo ya bema na wonu mu a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma wo energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Eno ane se wo benum bi, wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Tinatet 230 herbal. Eye yen konkwa. Power to the people. Me 230. So I hear. What feeling? Hold down, me back. Tinatet 230 herbal.
Yeah! Tinatet 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra offer sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne all man e banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.